Soft washing equipment for render cleaning, the Blend 50. When you want to make more money cleaning roofs, you need a Blend 50. Ideally also used on rendered surfaces on walls to buildings throughout the country. The very best soft washing equipment used for render cleaning on sale today is made by SoftWash Systems of Florida and sold by Purple Rhinos SoftWash Systems Limited in the UK. The Blend 50 makes life easy for the render cleaning operator to make and apply an effective SoftWash solution which can safely clean all types of render, cladding, brick and stone free from organic matter. Wall cleaning made easy. Marine grade electrics with superior aluminium bodywork gives you professional grade soft washing equipment. 12 volts quiet electric pumps provide you with enough power to work and apply your soft washing solution on render all day. Anything with a fossil fuel engine is not soft washing equipment. It is merely a converted pressure washer and is not recognised by the soft washing industry. Learn more about render cleaning using the Blend 50 and other soft washing equipment by visiting our website softwash-systems.com or call 08000 496 098.